Have you ever heard of massaging gloves for the kitchen? Well, in my opinion, this is another cool tool. Now, there's a lot of talk about eliminating processed oils or at least reducing them, and we know that salad dressing also is very calorie dense. So when we massage our greens, we can actually eliminate a lot of that extra fat. And how we do that is we get to use our hands, which aren't they marvelous? They're like one of the best tools ever. So I've prepared over here, there's some pasta and some orzo pasta, and I have some sun-dried tomatoes in there, some Kalamata olives, salt and pepper, and I have a smidgen of olive oil and red wine vinegar, 2 tablespoons to be exact. And what I'm doing right now is just working that dressing into the leaves, and I'm using a fair amount of force, to get the spinach to really glisten up. And what is so wonderful about this is that your salads are going to be more delicious than before because the leaves become really tender and more flavorful. Of course, you're gonna get tired of me watching to do this, but this is what it's all about, right? Is massaging your leaves. And it is a marvelous tool for everything. Okay, so now if you don't have tools like this, I mean you have your hands but not your gloves, another idea, you're really gonna love this one, is that you can take a produce bag, which a lot of us have a whole closet full of produce bags. What I like to do is turn it inside out and make sure that it's clean, and then you can also massage doing this way. And then you're recycling something, and isn't that terrific? So if you like that cool tool and that little suggestion, be sure to subscribe to the next video. And you can always ding that little button if you need the notification. And thank you so much for watching this one. I'm Debbie from Almost Vegan Cooking School, and we have all kinds of exciting recipes, tips, and just fun in the kitchen. So if you'd like to know more about us, just check us on out at almostvegancookingschool.com. Thanks so much.